Hey friends, it's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. It's Thursday and I'm over at my granny's house. We're doing a little visit together, looking through some old pictures and just having some great conversation. But one thing that I'm here for specifically is making my granny's favorite tuna patties. Guys, if you're looking for something super fast and delicious, 3 ingredients. You've got your tuna, you've got your egg, and you got cheddar cheese, and that's it. Now, I like to also dash some hot sauce in there, and Granny likes to pour a little hot sauce over her finished tuna patty when they're done. Guys, if you love tuna patties, in the comments, give me some hearts in the comments if you love tuna patties. There are so many variations of how you can make a tuna patty, and you can spend time in the kitchen chopping up eggs and chopping up onions and chopping up all these things and making a really great tuna patty. You can spend time making sauces to pour over your tuna patties. I actually have a tuna cake recipe I also really love that's got like a dill mayonnaise sauce you pour over them. But guys, these are so easy and absolutely delicious. There's Granny. Hey, Granny. She ain't gonna look in the camera. These are so good and they're Granny's favorite ones. 3 ingredients. We have 10 ounces of tuna, just a tuna packed in water or oil, either one. You want to make sure you drain that really, really good. I'm going to show you the finished product in just a second. They're not beautiful, but they're delicious. So you want to drain that tuna from the water or the oil that it's packed in. So 10 ounces or so. You can have a little more if you want to, but 10 ounces of tuna. And then we're going to add 2 eggs to 10 ounces. And then you're going to add a half a cup of cheddar cheese, and that's it. We're going to mix it together. If you want to dash in some salt, you can, but no requirements. Just make sure you get those really good and mixed up together. And then we're going to melt about a tablespoon of butter in a skillet. And guys, that's it. Let me show you what we're looking like so far. Here's 2 that are frying up right now, and here's 3 that are done. And look, all we do is add a little bit of hot sauce to the top. Now, they're not beautiful. I didn't say they were beautiful. I said they're delicious. And because there's no breading necessarily, we're just using the egg and the cheese as a binder. You'll see that they're a little flimsy, and that is okay. Guys, they are so good. If you're looking for something delicious, easy, completely 0 carb, because tuna, actually, look at this tuna packet. I could have just told you wrong. Let me look at this tuna. I'm using, what's that, Star Kiss? I'm using Star Kiss tuna, and it says in this whole container, 0 carbs. Guys, 0 carbs. 0 carb tuna patties. So delicious and so easy. Just 3 ingredients. So if you love tuna patties, in the comments, give me some hearts, guys. If this sounds good to you, go ahead and share this video so you can find it back on your page later, and you can show all of your friends how easy it is to come home and eat something so good and so delicious, keeping your carbs to 0 in a 3 ingredient tuna patty. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off and visit more with my granny. Y'all have a great day. You sure don't want to say hello, Granny? She said no. You sure, Granny? I think you do. I think you do. Look, she's trying. She's acting shy. My granny is not shy. My granny taught me lots of things, y'all. And one thing is to not be shy. Are you shy?
I don't look good today.
You look beautiful, Granny. Are you kidding?
No.
Okay, she doesn't want to. I'm not going to make her because she doesn't think she looks beautiful, but she does. But look, this is a picture of my sister. It's been here since 1999, I guess, when the house was built. This Crystal, I've talked to you guys about her before. Granny's had this picture on her refrigerator since 1999. Crystal passed away in a car accident, and every time we come to visit, she's right there with us. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off and visit Granny. Y'all have a great night, and if I can help you in any way, just let me know. Bye.